Hey, what's up, guys? This is Hans again, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what is Visa, MasterCard, Amex, JCB, and UnionPay. Kasi di ba lagi natin nakikita to sa mga debit cards natin, mga bank cards, mga prepaid cards, as well as credit cards. What are those? If you're interested to know more, stay tuned. So, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, or Amex, JCB, and UnionPay are what we call global payment networks. So, sila yung nagfa-facilitate ng electronic payments. So, in layman's term, they function in a way just like a middleman between cardholders, banks, merchants, and other financial institutions para magkaroon ng smooth and secure payment processing. Let me give you a visual. Check this out. So guys, this is how it works. So pumunta ka ng, for example, you're craving for coffee and katapusan naman so may sahod. So Starbucks ka. Starbucks. Pumili ka ng coffee. So swipe mo yung card mo. And you're using MasterCard. So, yung payment details mo, masisend siya sa bangko ni Starbucks. So, ang gagawin mo ng bangko ni Starbucks is to check with the payment network. MasterCard, yung card, may card na ginamit dito, ito yung details. Pag-check naman kung if this card is okay to use, kung may sufficient funds ba. Baka kasi nag-feeling na tong customer na to, wala naman pera, nagko-coffee pa. Just kidding. So, parang ganun. So, gagawin naman ni Payment Network is they'll reach out to your bank and then, or kung sino man nag-issue ng card mo. And then they're gonna check, ito yung payment details na binigay sa amin ng bangko ng Starbucks. Can you please check and confirm if this card is okay to use, kung may sufficient funds pa and such. So, ang bangko mo naman, i-check nila yung details mo. And then, so sila yung pretty much mag-approve or mag-decline ng transaction. So, pag may go signal na and approve yung transaction, they will reserve the amount. And so, the store will get the green light or go signal to complete the transaction at ma-approve na yung charge mo. But if you think about it really, ang haba ng process ng pagdadaanan, di ba? Pero pagka-swipe mo ng card, seconds lang antayin mo, approve or decline your transaction. So that's how it works. So guys, global payment networks are incredibly important, especially in today's interconnected world. I'm sure you guys would rather do cashless transactions, right? Wala na masyadong tao, I guess, ang nagdadala ng cash. Kasi ako, I don't bring cash that much. Siguro mga a few hundreds lang siguro. In case, of course, hindi naman lahat ng merchant nag-accept ng cashless transaction. Of course, pupunta kang tindahan, wala namang credit card o pang swipe doon. Although may mga tindahan nowadays na nag-Gcash sila or nagmamaya payment sila. So, which is a good thing. And same time, with the help of the global payment networks, it ensures convenience kasi smooth yung transaction. Security kasi you don't have to provide your information to the merchant, right? So, lahat na nasa piece of plastic lang, swipe mo na siya. Or you're doing a Gcash transaction which is done electronically as well. So, that would work the same. So, ganun siya guys. So, it's important, and especially na yung Philippines na right now, na mapansin ko, it's marami ng mga merchants and even small-time merchants like mga tindahan sa kanto nyo, sometimes nag-accept sila ng Gcash na payment or Maya para bayaran yung transaction mo, which is a good thing. Kasi nowadays, parang it's safer na yung cash mo intact sa bangko mo, nag-earn pa rin ng interest. Or kukuha ka lang ng enough funds just for you to maybe survive in a few days or use it for emergencies, especially pag may merchant na walang cashless options. So yeah, All right, so right now let's go ahead and talk a bit about these global payments. Well, it's not limited to these five anyway. Marami pa namang iba. Meron ding Stripe, merong Discover, guys, meron pang Papaya Global. So, we're just gonna focus on these five since ito yung well-known in the Philippines. And let's start with UnionPay. So, see, UnionPay, guys, is the largest payment network in China and has a growing presence worldwide. So, pretty much, when you talk about security features ni UnionPay, meron silang, it provides fraud protection, chip card technology, and their very own UnionPay Secure for online transactions. And global reach naman niya is, although it's popular in China, it has been expanding as well in many countries and is now accepted in over 170 countries worldwide. So that's UnionPay. Next is JCB or Japan Credit Bureau. So this is a Japanese-based international payment network that offers credit cards primarily in Asia. With when it comes to the key function ni JCB, so rewards and benefits niya they offer their cardholders benefits like discount, rewards points, and access to exclusive offers in Japan and in certain regions. Although it's widely accepted in Japan, it's also expanding its global acceptance, particularly in Asia, and through partnerships with other regions like the US and Europe. So that's JCB. Next is American Express or Amex, where I used to handle as an account when I was still with VXI. So American Express is both a card issuer slash bank and a payment network. So see, of course, it's accepted worldwide. Universally, though, it's not as accepted as the other payment network like Visa and MasterCard for the reason na medyo mataas yung merchant fee nila. So that's the reason why hindi siya, although it's widely accepted, hindi lahat ng merchants in a region or in a country nag-accept ng American Express kasi na mataas yung fee nila. So of course, meron silang secure features such as fraud protection, identity theft monitoring, and the American Express safe key, which is for to help you with secure online purchase. So that's American Express. All right, and the next one is Visa and MasterCard, which is very much the most common global payment network. Of course, worldwide acceptance, sobrang taas. Universally accepted siya in a lot of countries. And in fact, all throughout my life working in the BPO industry, yung mga cards ko maglalaro lang sa Visa or MasterCard. Ano pa, may mga, of course, may mga security features sila. With Visa, meron silang Visa Secure or formerly verified by Visa, which protects online payments by requiring additional authentication. Also, with MasterCard, meron naman silang tinatawag na EMV chip technology or MasterCard secure code. And of course, fraud detection. So I think I've experienced these features with my cards right now, which is a good thing. That's the reason why with my China bank, whenever I make a purchase online, nag-ask me minsan ng authentication, like secure code. So yeah. So in fairness naman to Visa and MasterCard, never pa akong na-fail when it comes to using it. Of course, magdidepende pa rin naman sa bank or sa card issuer kung i-approve nila yung transaction or not. But still, since accepted siya worldwide, never ako nagka-problema when it comes to using my cards to make a purchase kasi halos lahat ng merchants, especially in the Philippines, is accepting these two global payments. So, guys, the biggest question is, what's in it for you? Why are we learning these things? Well, first, for better financial decision making. Kasi guys, alam naman kukuha ka ng UnionPay na powered by UnionPay yung card or JCB na card in a place where hindi masyadong accepted yung ganong klaseng payment network, right? Pero naman sa Pilipinas, mga ilan. So, ilan lang. Hindi siya yung, we could say that, hindi siya sobrang laganap, kumbaga. So, at least when you know that kung alam mo itong mga bagay na to, so you would decide to either get Visa or MasterCard. American Express, yeah, BDO is offering that. JCB and UnionPay is pretty much being offered by a lot of banks as well, like Metrobank and RCBC, as well as East West. So yeah, it would help you decide then on what's the best card for you, since you know yung strength and weaknesses ng card when it comes to using it maybe outside the country, for example. And at the same time, enhance security. So since you know already that these cards also provide its own secure way to make transactions aside from the bank's security and security features, at least you would know which card will be the best option for you. And another thing also is that for convenience and accessibility, since like what I mentioned earlier, since alam mo naman na ang UnionPay is not widely accepted here in the Philippines, hindi siya ganun kataas, then why get a card that's being powered by UnionPay? So you have to decide then to choose another card, maybe Visa or MasterCard, unless guys, if you have like already an existing card that it's already Visa or MasterCard and you want UnionPay for personal use, maybe when you have plans, if you have plans to travel abroad, especially in China, then you may go ahead and get that type of card. It has something to do as well with financial literacy. Kasi guys, knowledge about global payment networks contribute to your overall financial literacy, which would help make more informed financial decisions. For example, first credit card mo, diba? Apply ka. So, alam naman mag-apply ka ng JCB or UnionPay or American Express na hindi siya ganun ka-accepted. So, mangyayari is mamumblema ka pa maghanap ng merchant that would accept JCB, American Express, and UnionPay. But I'm not saying, guys, na I don't have the data or statistics anyway kung ano yung ina-accept ng mga merchant. So, based on my experience, lahat ng store, lahat ng shops, lahat ng merchants na napuntahan ko, even online, usually would accept Visa and MasterCard. And I'm sure you guys would admit that yun din na notice nyo. So, yun. Ipupunta ka sa ibang country like China, alangan namang magdala ka ng Visa and MasterCard na mahirapan ka pang maghanap din ng merchant that would accept those two, although it's accepted universally, pero mas maganda pa rin na when you are in a place and you don't have cash with you and you only have your cards, then much easier yung paggamit mo and ma-enjoy mo pa yung vacation mo kasi konting lakad mo lang, makikita mo, okay, yung merchant nag-accept ng JCB o may JCB ako, or yung merchant nag-accept ng UnionPay o may UnionPay ako na credit card. So, mas madali yung buhay, kumbaga. So guys, what do you think about our topic today? Do you think it's informative? May kulang? May hindi ba ako nabanggit? Please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read and respond to your comments. Alright, so just like what I always say, Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification icon. And as much as possible, guys, please make sure to turn all notifications para ma-remind kayo and you get updates about my newly uploaded videos on YouTube. Again, this is Hans. See you next time.